Good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell you about care for nature. I am sure we all want to save the nature at any cost. Nature pollution is one of the major problems in our modern world. To save the nature, we must do some steps together because the nature affects us because of us. Unwanted weather condition is proof that nature needs saving and securing more than ever. A green and clean nature is important to live a peaceful and healthy life. We can save our nature in several ways, starting with planting trees as much as possible. Dispose our waste in the correct way and not litter around on roads and public places. We shouldn't use plastic bag. Instead, use eco-friendly bag. Use eco-friendly transport as well. For storage, we should use glass containers. Switch off light and fans when no use. Further conserve water always. Farmers should use organic fertilizer on their farm in place of pesticides. To sum it up, we see that the change begins with us. Every person on this earth has a great role to play in restoring the balance of the earth. Thank you.